Understanding the phrase, give them a break. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase, give them a break. This phrase is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help in both understanding native speakers and improving your own English expression. So, let's dive in and break down what this phrase means and how you can use it. First, let's look at the literal meaning of the words. Give means to present or hand over something. Them is a pronoun, referring to some people or things previously mentioned or easily identified. A break can mean a pause or rest from something. However, when these words come together as a phrase, they take on a slightly different meaning. In a figurative sense, give them a break is commonly used to ask someone to stop putting pressure on someone else, to be less critical, or to allow someone more time or patience. This phrase is often used in casual conversation, especially when someone feels that another person is being too harsh or unfair. For example, if someone is criticizing a friend's performance harshly, you might say, give them a break, they did their best. There are variations of this phrase that you might hear. For instance, give me a break is a common expression of disbelief or frustration. As in, give me a break. I never said that. Or, give me a break. That can't be true. These variations keep the idea of requesting leniency or patience but can be used in different contexts. Understanding the cultural context is important. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase can be seen as a polite way to ask for empathy or understanding. It's a common phrase used to smooth social interactions, particularly in situations where someone may be judged too quickly. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, give them a break, and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, phrases like these can add nuance and depth to your communication in English, making it richer and more authentic. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one!